Center for Renewal of Culture, together with the Heritage Foundation, has organized today's International Energy Forum. Can this event lead to greater American engagement in Croatia?
I believe so, and I hope so, and I encourage everyone to do so. All the participants, especially the participating companies, in order to boost the relationship between Croatia and the United States. One of the important prerequisites is the signing of the Avoidance of Double Taxation Treaty, and I invite everyone. I know that the Heritage Foundation has done a lot in order to approach the administration and the U.S. Congress in order to push for negotiations to start with Croatia. So I encourage everyone to join this and to, in particular on the American side, let the administration know of their interest for business with Croatia. And of course, there are numerous other areas where the two organizations can promote together doing business not only in the energy sector, but in many other sectors as well.
This conference includes speakers from Lithuania, Poland, and Hungary. Can this positively impact in the Three Seas initiative?
Absolutely, yes. I started the Three Seas initiative with the Polish President Duda. It's been growing. It enjoys strong support from the United States. President Trump was present in one of the meetings. The Secretary of Energy was there in Bucharest at the summit this year when we identified a number of very specific projects. A number of them for Croatia are in the energy sector, and our goals are to connect the north and the south of the initiative. So our future LNG terminal in Krk with the LNG terminals in Świnoujście and in Klaipeda. So to create that grid that would allow for more energy independence from the currently one source of natural gas that we all have and that we're dependent upon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.